Would you like to make $1,000 passive income a month? $1,000 bucks. Doesn't that sound good? Let's watch this quick intro and let's get into it. Hey guys, Shelly here. How would you like to make $1,000 a month passive income? Yeah, I think that sounds good to me. How does it sound to you? Okay, before we get into it, do me a favor. On this channel, I talk about making money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, online marketing. If you're into anything like that, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you get anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay. By the way, if I look down below, I have notes, so I won't forget. But number one, affiliate marketing, a product, like one product. So you have a product or you have a company that you want to promote. You can make $1,000 a month that way by promoting it. And you might be wondering, how would I do that? I'm doing a YouTube video. You know, you can do a video for your product. You can do a blog. You know, just as long as you get it out there. Okay, let's go to number two. Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, I put that separately because about a year ago, I seen there in a video, another person kind of sees it separate, and I do too. Because affiliate, Amazon is like, you have usually a bunch of products, and you're an affiliate for those products, all Amazon. And then most of the people that I see, that's all they do. So it's just like Amazon. So you can do that. You can be like an Amazon affiliate. And altogether, that money, a lot of people make a lot of money doing that. I don't, but yeah. Number three, membership websites. These are getting more and more popular. So if you have a membership website for, let's see, that just has a content, you want to get access to a specific content, and so you pay a monthly fee. Say it's $30, $10. I know someone that has a Facebook group, and to be in that group, you actually have to pay $10 a month to be in the group. And some stuff's even more expensive, $100 a month, just depends. But per one person, let's just go with the $30. That adds up really quick. Okay. Number four, your service or business. Okay, like for a product or a consultation, you have your business. You have, this is my kitty kitty, your service, and you charge people, monthly for that. And again, each person, that's going to add up. So you're providing a service for them. You have a, photography website. There's no telling. But as long as you have your own product, your own service, you can charge monthly for that. Okay. Which that reminds me to number five, because number five is courses, which is really, really popular these days. And the going rate lately is like $1,000 for a course, which a lot of them is crazy to be $1,000. But there's some stuff that's really worth it. Like Legendary Marketer has some courses that are like way amazing, and Spencer Meckham has a course that's awesome. But there are some courses I've seen and I've bought. It's not worth $1,000, and there are cheaper ones. That's Jacob Karras has one. I think it's $100 or so. That one's really good for like $100. It's awesome. But they range, 300, 400, 500, but courses. 6, selling leads. see a lot of people doing this, and for some reason, I've had a bunch of people reach out to me and tell me that I should do it, but you should always do something that you like, and I wouldn't like doing that. Let's just be honest. But there is money to be made in selling leads. Okay. Number 7, it's kind of different, but it's investments. And a lot of people don't do investments, or they're scared to. And like, there's Betterment, there's Fundrise, stocks and bonds. A lot of people want to stay away from that. I had a bunch more examples, but I could do a whole video just about that. So if you're into that, or you want to know more about it, just leave a comment and I would gladly help you out with that. Okay, 8. It's digital products like a book, a challenge. Challenges are really popular these days. And I seen a video where this one guy was talking about $7. It's like the going rate, but it is $7, and it was for what was the challenge? I don't remember. But he had put it out himself. He had put this challenge out like, I don't know, 5 years ago, and he said, that $7 adds up really fast. And he said, I'm still making at least $2,000 a month off of that he made 5 years ago. So, and then the same thing with the book. There's a lot of people, and I've bought a lot of books, because $7, that's nothing to be able to learn to get something. And a lot of people are doing the books. Again, $7 adds up pretty fast. Okay, 9, YouTube ads. Okay, everybody sees an ad before YouTube, or has it, at the end, or, ads. YouTube ads. Oh my gosh. That's a given. 10, display ads. And I don't just mean like on YouTube, but like, say you have a blog. I have a friend, Jeff. I can't think of his last name, but that's my daughter. She's listening to me, but that's not it. But anyways, he makes a lot of money. I wish I could quote it, by just on his blog, because he has like a famous, awesome blog. It's like probably my favorite blog. Well, Chris's is pretty good too. But anyways, and just off of the display ads, he makes a killing. Okay, enough on that. 11. Now these two are a little different, but I wanted to throw them in, and it's also why I added them last. Okay, the last two, 11 and 12. 11 is rent and real estate. So say you have a rental property and then you rent it out. Usually you make about $250 off of the rent a month. And I know a lot of people don't want to mess with it because, it's a hassle, or you may not have the money coming in that month, and you might, but anyways, that's a whole other different story. But say you had 4 houses. That's not bad for money coming in if you wanted to mess with that. And 12 was rent a room. There's a lot of people that has a big house, has a spare bedroom, or you just live by yourself, and why not rent your extra bedroom? So that was actually number 12. So there are 12. So go and implement them and see how good you can do. Do me a favor, if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And again, if you want to see anything of this face again, then you can ring the bell and subscribe. Also, do me a favor and leave me a comment. I would like to start on the videos picking a comment and telling it to you on the next video that I do. So leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, until the next video.